Okay, go ahead. Okay, so these toilets are back to back. Um, that one is flushing across this stack and it's pushing the water up into this other part of the inner main. So I think the air or the water and the air are pushing it up and making a bubble, and that's making the water to move in this toilet. There's no plug. I couldn't get the camera down the stack, but there's nothing in right there. There's nothing through either of them, as you can see. So there's no clog. I think it's just this toilet's new and it's flushing harder, and it's coming up this other side of the tree. I'll pull back so you can see. There's the stack. That's the toilet flange. I think that's just what it is.